Beneath the quiet facade of the unassuming town of Willow Creek, a story unfolded, a tale of resilience, courage, and the extraordinary strength that often resides in the most delicate of souls. At the heart of this story was a young woman named Anya. She was a vision of fragility, her slender frame often dwarfed by the world around her. Her soft, doe-like eyes held a depth that belied her gentle exterior, and her voice, though sweet, carried a quiet authority that commanded respect. Anya lived a simple life, working as a librarian in the town's modest library. She spent her days surrounded by the comforting scent of old paper and the quiet hum of turning pages. But beneath her serene demeanor, a tempest raged, a battle fought silently against a chronic illness that had plagued her since childhood. The illness, a debilitating disease that sapped her energy and often confined her to bed, had tested her strength in ways she could never have imagined. Yet, she refused to surrender to its grip. Instead, she found solace in the world of books, losing herself in fantastical realms and heroic deeds. Through the pages of novels, she discovered a strength she never knew she possessed. Anya's illness had forced her to slow down, to appreciate the quiet moments, the simple pleasures. She learned to find joy in the smallest of things, the warmth of the sun on her skin, the gentle rustle of leaves, the comforting presence of a good book. It was in these quiet moments that she truly thrived, her spirit soaring beyond the confines of her physical limitations. One day, a young boy named Ethan, a troubled soul with a rebellious streak, wandered into the library. He was a troubled child, lost and angry, seeking solace in the wrong places. Anya, sensing his turmoil, approached him gently, offering him a book, a lifeline to a world beyond his own. Ethan, initially resistant, was drawn to Anya's kindness and understanding. He found himself drawn to the stories she recommended, the tales of heroes who overcame adversity, of villains who were redeemed, of love that conquered all. As he delved into these stories, he began to see the world in a new light. Anya became more than just a librarian. She became a mentor, a friend, a beacon of hope. She listened patiently to Ethan's troubles, offering words of encouragement and support. She taught him the importance of perseverance, the power of empathy, and the beauty of human connection. As Ethan's life began to change, so too did Anya's. She became a symbol of hope for the town of Willow Creek, a reminder that strength comes in many forms. Her quiet resilience, her unwavering belief in the power of the human spirit, inspired others to face their own challenges with courage and determination. Anya's story is a testament to the extraordinary strength that can be found within the most fragile of souls. It is a reminder that true strength is not measured by physical prowess or material wealth, but by the courage to face adversity, the kindness to help others, and the unwavering belief in the power of the human spirit.